You won't believe this. The 1977 Chevy Chevette, with just 55 horsepower and completely stock, managed to shock car enthusiasts at 0-60. Tiny, light, and underestimated, this unassuming hatchback proved that power isn't everything. Today, we uncover the secrets behind this little speedster that left everyone stunned. The Chevy Chevette is often dismissed as a small, slow car from the late 1970s, but there's a reason it has earned legendary underdog status. Most people see its tiny 1.4-liter engine, producing just 55 horsepower, and assume it's incapable of anything exciting. Its modest appearance, small wheels, and simple design gave it an image of a slow, practical city car built solely for commuting and fuel efficiency. Yet appearances can be deceiving. Chevrolet created the Chevette in response to the fuel crisis of the 1970s. Gas prices were skyrocketing, and people wanted affordable, reliable transportation that could travel long distances without guzzling fuel. Chevy answered with a car that was compact, lightweight, and practical. With its unassuming hatchback design, it could carry 4 passengers comfortably while delivering excellent fuel economy. The Chevette was simple, reliable, and affordable, but no one expected it to deliver excitement or speed. The real magic of the Chevette begins when you look past the engine's horsepower. Despite only 55 HP, the car weighed just over 1,700 pounds, remarkably light compared to other vehicles of the era. That low weight meant the small engine didn't have to work as hard to move the car, which allowed it to accelerate faster than many people imagined. It wasn't raw power that made the Chevette impressive. It was how efficiently it used the power it had. Early tests showed the Chevette could move surprisingly quickly for its size. It had a 3-speed manual transmission, often mocked for being primitive, yet it worked perfectly with the lightweight frame. Skilled drivers could maximize every bit of horsepower, shifting at the right moment to keep the engine in its optimal power range. That synergy between weight, gearing, and engine output was the key to the Chevette's unexpected performance. Even in daily driving situations, the Chevette impressed. On city streets, it could zip through traffic and maneuver in tight spaces that larger cars struggled with. People laughed when it appeared at drag strips or performance meets, expecting it to crawl while bigger, more powerful cars roared past. And yet when the light turned green, the Chevette surprised everyone. Its quickness and responsiveness defied expectations. The Chevette's success as a sleeper car lies not in flashy features but in balance and efficiency. The small engine didn't need to overpower anything, it just had to work in harmony with the car's lightweight structure. Enthusiasts who first tested the Chevette for 0-60 acceleration were shocked. They expected it to take forever to reach highway speeds, yet it achieved respectable numbers, leaving skeptics dumbfounded. Beyond performance, the Chevette also offered practical advantages. Its fuel economy was exceptional, making it ideal for long commutes or road trips. Reliability was high, with minimal maintenance required to keep it running smoothly. While muscle cars attracted attention with noise and power, the Chevette attracted admiration for its clever engineering and surprising capabilities. It was a car that rewarded careful driving and respect for its design, proving that power isn't the only way to impress. By the end of this chapter, it becomes clear that the Chevette was more than just a cheap, small car. It was an engineering marvel disguised as an unassuming hatchback. Its lightweight frame, balanced design, and efficient use of horsepower allowed it to achieve performance levels that shocked those who underestimated it. The Chevette is a reminder that even the smallest, simplest vehicles can make a significant impact when designed intelligently and driven skillfully. The 1977 Chevy Chevette story of surprise doesn't stop at traffic lights. Its real claim to fame came on the quarter-mile track, where it faced muscle cars with 2 or 3 times its power. Spectators assumed the Chevette would struggle to stay in the race, yet it consistently left everyone questioning their assumptions. Muscle cars of the era, boasting 200-300 horsepower, were supposed to dominate the track. They had raw power, aggressive styling, and the roar of an engine that demanded attention. In comparison, the Chevette looked tiny and weak, but what the track revealed was the power of efficiency, balance, and skill. The Chevette's lightweight design meant it could accelerate without being burdened by excessive mass. Unlike heavier cars that wasted energy moving their own weight, the Chevette transferred nearly all of its engine output into motion. The 3-speed manual transmission became the Chevette's secret weapon. While enthusiasts initially mocked it, the transmission allowed drivers to maintain perfect timing and keep the engine in its optimal power range. The simple, unassisted mechanics meant no electronic aids or complex systems interfered with performance. Every shift mattered, and drivers quickly learned that skillful manipulation of the gears could extract surprising performance. The Chevette's weight distribution was another advantage. With a small engine at the front and a light rear, it maintained stability and balance throughout acceleration. Muscle cars with powerful engines often struggled with torque steer or traction issues, whereas the Chevette stayed composed. Drivers reported that it almost felt like the car was gliding down the track, effortlessly maintaining speed and momentum. Spectators were stunned as the Chevette kept pace with larger, more powerful vehicles. By the halfway mark of the quarter-mile, jaws were dropping. Everyone expected the tiny hatchback to fall behind, yet it consistently finished races in positions that defied logic. Enthusiasts who witnessed the Chevette in action described it as magical and impossible, unable to reconcile its tiny size with its surprising performance. The Chevette's track success proved a valuable lesson. Power alone doesn't define speed. Weight, balance, and mechanical simplicity can allow a small car to outperform expectations. The Chevette wasn't just surviving against heavier competitors, it was thriving. Every launch, every shift, every smooth acceleration demonstrated that intelligent design often beats raw horsepower. What made the Chevette truly remarkable was its reliability under repeated stress. Unlike muscle cars that sometimes overheated or required frequent maintenance during track events, the Chevette maintained consistent performance. Its lightweight engine never overworked, its simple transmission remained durable, and its suspension handled repeated launches with surprising composure. This consistency added to the astonishment of spectators and competitors alike. Beyond track performance, the Chevette's achievements carry a bigger message. It reminds us that size, looks, and raw power aren't the only factors that matter in a car. A well-engineered, balanced vehicle can defy expectations and leave a lasting impression. The Chevette taught enthusiasts to respect the small, to appreciate efficiency, and to never underestimate the underdog. By the end of this chapter, the 1977 Chevette emerges as a true sleeper car, a vehicle that could shock, impress, and challenge assumptions at every turn. It didn't just surprise people, it changed perceptions about what a small car could accomplish. The story of the 1977 Chevy Chevette is a story of surprises. From its modest beginnings to jaw-dropping track performance, it has lessons for car enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. First, never underestimate a small car. The Chevette's 55 horsepower may seem minimal, but in the right design it becomes far more impactful than raw numbers suggest. Its lightweight frame, balanced chassis, and simple transmission allowed it to maximize the efficiency of every bit of power. Second, the Chevette highlights the importance of skill. Many spectators thought the car's small engine would make it slow and uninteresting. Yet skilled drivers could extract performance that others didn't think possible. Timing, gear shifts, and launch techniques allowed the Chevette to surprise even the most skeptical racers. The lesson here is clear. Knowing how to handle a vehicle is just as important as the numbers on paper. Third, the Chevette proves that appearances are deceiving. Its small, unassuming body didn't draw attention, yet it commanded respect through performance. People often judge cars by size, noise, or looks, but the Chevette reminds us to look deeper. Underestimated vehicles often have hidden potential that can shock and impress when revealed. The Chevette also demonstrates the value of efficiency. In an era dominated by fuel-hungry muscle cars, it showed that a lightweight, simple, and efficient design can achieve remarkable results. Its performance wasn't about dominating through brute force. It was about clever engineering, balance, and precision. This approach allowed it to shine in ways that many bigger, more powerful cars couldn't replicate. Moreover, the Chevette story is an inspiration for underdogs everywhere. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't powerful, and it didn't fit the mold of a classic sports car. Yet it proved that determination, smart design, and skillful execution can overcome expectations. In racing, as in life, the smallest contender can create the biggest impact. Even today, enthusiasts remember the Chevette not for its horsepower or top speed, but for the shock factor, the thrill of seeing a seemingly ordinary car outperform its competition. It remains a classic example of a sleeper car, a vehicle that quietly amazed people and forced them to reconsider what they thought was possible. Finally, the Chevette is a reminder that in cars, as in life, underestimating someone or something can lead to surprises. Even a small stock hatchback with 55 horsepower can leave a lasting impression, shock the doubters, and become legendary. The 1977 Chevy Chevette will always hold a special place in automotive history, not because it was the fastest or the most powerful, but because it proved that clever design and balance can triumph over raw numbers. The 1977 Chevy Chevette shocked everyone, proving that even a small 55 HP hatchback could leave muscle cars behind. It's a timeless lesson in efficiency, skill, and the power of the underdog. Never underestimate the little guys. They can surprise, impress, and leave a lasting mark on automotive history.